Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm with Pokemon Unite and I'll show you how to add someone to your friends list. First, you need to get your friend's ID. To find your own ID, tap on the left upper corner and you'll see your profile ID right there. Your friend must give you this ID number, which you can copy by tapping the icon. To add a friend, go to Friends, then select Friend Search. Click the search bar, input the friend ID, and tap Search. Then tap the add icon next to their profile. That's how you can add someone to your friends list in Pokemon Unite. If you found this helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.